Okay, so as you can see, I have the high 6 mod. So you've got the 360 LEDs here, which have a bluish tint. That's just regular halogen. And then you got the switchbacks back here, which is the pure white. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you remember last video, I was talking about how I partnered up with Auxbeam and carsponsors.com. Well, you saw what I put on the Jeep, and they also sent me these, which is high and low beams for the truck. So now, at least the headlights wise, they'll all be LED. Hopefully be the same color, because I'll show you in a second what my biggest issue is. I have the 360 LEDs in here right now from Amazon. If you recall from a couple videos back, me putting them in. There's really nothing wrong with them, it's just they're a different color than everything else. Kind of hoping these will be the same color, and I know they're good headlights, so they'll definitely be plenty bright. Let me turn these on and show you guys kind of what I'm talking about the color difference. Okay, so as you can see, I have the high 6 mod. So you've got the 360 LEDs here, which have a bluish tint. That's just regular halogen. And then you got the switchbacks back here, which is the pure white. And now, yes, I've got the fog lights down there, but those will eventually end up getting some Auxbeam lights in there too. But I'm worried about these two right now. So like I said, there's nothing wrong with that 360 LED. I mean, it's bright, it's good, I mean, but it's just white, blue, yellow. It's just trying to get it all that pure white color. So hopefully those will do it for me. Okay, so if you watched the last video where I put the 360s in, you'll already know how to do all this, but I mean, it's just so quick. I'll just show you how to do it again anyways. This little clip here sits down like that. You'll just flick it up, slide it out, gotta wiggle it a little bit. Man, there we go. Then you just pull your headlight out. Lift her out. I'll tell you another reason I bought these lights, probably the biggest reason, is if you remember when I put those in, you remember I had to modify this. And I had to cut all that out because all this is supposed to be one piece. Well, if you look, this is just pretty massive on the back end. Here are my dims. The dims for these trucks are 9006 bulbs. The highs are 9005s. And then there we go. Now, as you can see, pull one out here. For one, it's just this little body. Its own little thing, doesn't have any big ballast like the 360. It has this ballast you got to put on it that connects to the headlight. But this one's just a straight plug. I believe the ballast is built in here. It's got the little fan in there. It just feels real solid overall. And then I'll do another comparison. The reason, like I said, we had to modify that is because just how tall this is right here. Look at that. It's about half of the height, and that should be plenty to clear this back here. They built these to be the same depth as a factory light. So these are one of the only headlights that I know of, like good aftermarket LED headlights that I know of, that will clear back here and you not have to modify anything. So if you have one of these trucks, I believe it's like 99 to 07 classic Silverados, GMC Sierras, stuff like that, you get these, there's no modifying these. I'm kind of bummed because I already poked a hole in these two, but you live and learn. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one and the bright in, and this one's the bright. This is the 9005. It's the same thing, same construction. These are the P10, I think the P10 series. So that side's all in. Gonna go ahead and turn them on. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. It's still not totally as white, but it definitely matches this a lot better than that 360 did. I don't really think with a headlight you can get that as pure white as that. But then you got these ones over here. See how that's way bluer than that down there, and that's obviously yellow because it's a halogen. Just standing from about here, they look to be maybe a little bit brighter, but obviously we won't be able to tell that until, you know, nighttime hits. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that other side in. Alright guys, so as you can see, both sides are in, headlights are back in, everything's buttoned up, they work great. Like I said, I won't be able to really test the brightness up until it's actually nighttime, but they look, I mean, just standing out here, they look pretty bright, so pretty excited to see how they perform at night. And again, like I said, I will be getting LEDs for the fogs. Just couldn't really swing that right now. Again, huge shout out to carsponsors.com and Auxbeam lighting for, you know, making that happen. Same thing with the Jeep, helped me out a lot with that. Yeah, it's pretty much going to be the same thing as the Jeep video. The next shot will probably be, you know, the truck at night, showing how bright they go. I might drive down the road with it and let you guys see how they perform at night. That's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link to Auxbeam and carsponsors.com down in the description below. So if you guys want to go visit them, check them out, you can do that there. Follow on my social, Instagram, Twitter, my Facebook page, my channel email. You can contact me for any reason. Will be down in the description as well. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit that subscribe button. Comment, questions, concerns. I'll try to answer them as best to my ability. We just recently hit 500 subs, and I know I've done a couple videos since we've hit it, but super excited about it. So thanks everybody who's subscribed and watching the channel. I really appreciate it. That being said, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.